All right, it's Monday, March 25th. This is a morning SPY update. It's about an hour and a half into trading. Just wanted to highlight what's developing price action-wise. I'm not really trading the SPY today, but I'm kind of looking for some of the things we mentioned on the weekly recap video. Number one, weekly green bar from last week. So I do expect that high to be tested. We have a few days to go in the week. Also, I know that on this red bar from Friday, I expected it to go a little lower, but I know we're in this gap area that could be the support area to kind of have the reversal back to the upside. So that's kind of unfolding here a little bit. You can see, the gaps between the high of this bar and the low of this bar. So I wanted to see if we come down here and can't really follow through, then I get kind of excited to get back to the long side. And, price action seems to be showing that we might be getting that failure, move to the downside right here. And this could be sort of an aggressive opportunity to kind of play that a little early here. In other words, the first bar of the day kind of started red, but didn't follow through to take out the pre-market lows. I almost wish it would have done that to take out liquidity first into this gap area and then start higher, but instead price kind of just moved up on bar 2 and 3. So while I wouldn't buy that personally, on that first move of the day up, because we're way below the midpoint of the prior day, and it can still turn into a kind of a green to red to take out these areas. We're still in a downward mode here. It's a 2 down continuation into an area that could be support, but if it wants to really get red, it could head all the way down there. We can be making higher highs here and eventual lower lows. I don't know at this point until this bar really closes. So anyway, that's why I wouldn't have aggressively bought this, but now seeing this move here kind of hold the midpoint of first bar start green, this to me is kind of a buy signal, intraday to kind of take out the high of the day and to probably get to that pre-market high, which is the liquidity area. At that point, we see if we kind of get through the midpoint of that bar. The way this day kind of fails on a good 2-up day is either we just close green here by the end of the day, or we get to the midpoint of that bar, which can make an outside bar to the upside. So we'll see if that unfolds. Still a long way to go in the day. I could still see this maybe even failing to get up here, getting a big red bar down here. If that form somewhere down in this area, I'd expect follow through to take out these lows of the day and the pre-market lows, and maybe we just get red, and maybe by the end of the day it's another red. So I don't really know, for sure what's going to unfold. I am looking for a failure move down here, to start back up, because I still have a bias to take out the high of the week. But, it's hard to know what this day is going to close at this point in time. Other than I do like this little, first push up, intraday structure above the first bar high is sort of up. And then this little move here, to me, looks like it wants to kind of go high. So this could be an aggressive play to kind of see if we get that push up. But if you don't immediately get it, given just the uncertainty that I've described, I would get right out type of thing. So, we'll see if this little move here becomes the move to kind of get up there. If it does and holds, then this can become the 2 down failure green day you're looking for, and you're in early. But it might be a better trade, into tomorrow if this holds green, and then we are targeting the highs of last week. So that's my take on it. Just thought I'd follow up just because I follow it, but I'm not really trading the SPY today, given, the little uncertainty that's unfolding early in the week.